In this specific video, I will show you how to create a pop-up opt-in window for your existing lead magnet in Lead Creator. In order to get into that section, you click on the left side of column of the page, and that will bring up the email capture editor. In here, you have to go through 4 steps. Step 1, the template, and this template I'm using for this particular lead magnet is a standard that's showing over here. You can also do an ebook style, a blurred button, a video, or no email capture form. The no email capture form situation would be when you just want a page like a blog or a bridge page, and the reader will not be presented with any pop-ups. So once we have our standard selection set, we go ahead and save the changes. The next section will be the form fields, and this is where I fill out go ahead and opt in for more. The privacy policy section, if you don't have a privacy policy, then Lead Creator has a built-in privacy policy to present to the reader once they opt in. The next step is styles. I style the I want to keep reading button with this code from the article. It's the same code as what I use to the H2 tags inside the article. Just as a demo, the default is a blue, but I changed this to green. The code, the pound FFFFFFF is the white on the inside of the button. The trigger, you have a choice of 4 triggers here. You have the blur timer, where after a certain period of time, when the reader is on the page will become blurred, and then the opt-in will appear. You have the half page blur, where half of the page that the reader lands on is blurred. I opted to use the on-mouse scroll, where 50% the reader scrolls on 50% of the page before the opt-in pop-up is triggered. And the last one down here is the on button. Click, lead capture will appear when the user clicks the button or link where the below shortcode has been assigned. So we will opt for the 50%, save the changes, go back into the content of your lead magnet, and we'll update. If this wasn't published before, you will hit the publish button here. And to view, to get a preview of what it will look like on the front end, you click on the view button here, and this is what the reader would see when they land on the page. Oh, if you see this URL, go.gooptin.pro, go opt-in now, that comes from settings area, where in the settings you can choose your domain. The go.gooptin.pro is my domain that I set up on Lead Creator, but the default domain is app.leadcreator.ai. This is a more customized way of showing your page, and the default slug is alphanumeric slug, but I changed it to this go opt-in now, one word, no spaces, and that's what we're seeing over here in this URL. The other setting is the integration. Lead Creator has a plethora of email autoresponders, from GetResponse all the way to Akumba Mail. I'm sure you'd find your autoresponder in here. The autoresponder that I'm using is MailChimp, and this is my list. Save the changes. So when the reader is on this page, there are my custom URL. They start reading, they're unlocking the magic, harnessing the true power of lead magnets. Wow, this is very interesting. And that's a nice graphic. And they're actually talking about what I'm reading. I got this graphic from the Napkin AI. If you would view my previous video, you'll see how I incorporated that here. So the reader is still reading and going down the page, identifying and understanding your audience. Really nice. This is a nice article. Wow. I'm definitely going to try and implement. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. I need to go to opt-in to read more. And that's the pop-up, which is very effective. So if you want to take this out for a free spin, click on the link below, and I'm sure you'll be able to utilize Lead Creator for your business needs.